Before we begin, get comfortable. You can sit or lie down. Let your body choose what feels easy. Now let your eyes close or soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in. And a slow breath out. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your shoulders drop a little. Unclench your jaw. Let your hands be heavy. You do not need to force relaxation. Just give your body permission to soften. And as you breathe, notice something simple. You are here, and for this moment, that is enough. In a moment, I will say an affirmation, and I want you to repeat it after me, either out loud or quietly in your mind. Repeat it like you are planting it, not as a performance, as a practice. If a part of you doubts the words, that's fine. You don't need perfect belief. You only need willingness. Take one more slow breath in and let it out. Good. Repeat after me. I rebuild self-trust one choice at a time. Repeat. I rebuild self-trust one choice at a time. I keep small promises to myself. Repeat. I keep small promises to myself. I do what I say, even in simple ways. Repeat. I do what I say, even in simple ways. My word to myself matters. Repeat. My word to myself matters. I can trust my next step. Repeat. I can trust my next step. I do not need to feel ready to be reliable. Repeat. I do not need to feel ready to be reliable. I choose progress that I can maintain. Repeat. I choose progress that I can maintain. I return to my plans without punishment. Repeat. I return to my plans without punishment. I follow through with calm, not pressure. Repeat. I follow through with calm, not pressure. I am learning to stay on my own side. Repeat. I am learning to stay on my own side. I can be imperfect and still be consistent. Repeat. I can be imperfect and still be consistent. I listen to myself and I respond with respect. Repeat. I listen to myself and I respond with respect. I make decisions and I stand by them. Repeat. I make decisions and I stand by them. I handle discomfort without abandoning myself. Repeat. I handle discomfort without abandoning myself. I am becoming someone I can rely on. Repeat. I am becoming someone I can rely on. Now take a slow breath in and let it out. Let those words settle, not just in your mind, but in your body. Self-trust is not built by one big moment. It's built by small, steady follow-through. So here is a simple instruction your mind can remember. When you feel doubt, choose one small promise and keep it. Even a 2-minute promise counts. Even a quiet promise counts. Now, imagine one tiny promise you can keep today. Something realistic, something you can actually do. Let it be simple. And feel what happens in your body when you choose it. Not pressure, just clarity. Take another breath in and exhale. Good. In a moment, we'll close this trance, and you'll bring this feeling with you. Not as a high, as a steady baseline you can return to. I'll count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you'll come back to full awareness. 1, feeling the surface beneath you. 2, bringing gentle movement into your fingers and toes. 3, a fuller breath in. 4, awareness returning to the room around you. 5, eyes open when you're ready, calm and clear. And remember, you do not have to prove yourself today. You only have to keep one small promise.